Hi everyone, it's Nicole, and today I want to share with you a delicious superfood packed protein shake with our GoPro powder. This Nutty Monkey Mocha protein shake has a delicious chocolate mocha taste. It helps to maintain lean muscle with a complete plant-based protein blend of pea, sacha, inchi, and sprouted brown rice protein. This recipe is super simple. Just add a little bit of ice, 10 ounces of almond milk, a half a fresh banana, 1/4 cup frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of almond butter or peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons of our proprietary chocolate syrup. Lastly, add 1 or 2 scoops of our GoPro protein blend. Blend it all together and you're good to go. Get the recipe now at healthytruth.com.